Hey everyone, welcome to the Wellers channel. Today I'll show you what to do if your iPhone hotspot isn't working. There are just a few ways to fix this issue. First, go to Settings, make sure airplane mode is off, and open the hotspot menu. This checkbox must be enabled because if it's not checked, the hotspot won't function properly. If that doesn't help, verify that you have internet connection working on your phone. If it still doesn't work, press the power button and volume up button to restart your phone. This should fix it, then repeat the previous steps. This has been Wellers. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.